Hello, welcome to Howl's Coffin, and thanks for tuning in. There's a few things that I'd like to go over with you before we start. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand the content that you're about to experience is purely fictional. While it may contain themes of violence, monsters, even non-consent, please remember that this is a fantasy. I want to make it explicitly clear that I do not endorse any of the behaviors portrayed in these audio experiences. The characters I portray are often the worst of humanity, performing morally reprehensible acts. However, as an actor, I'm merely inhabiting these roles to provide you with an immersive experience. My intention in creating this content is to offer a safe space for individuals to explore their fantasies without putting themselves or others in harm's way. It's important to differentiate between fantasy and reality, and I trust you as a listener to understand the distinction. So, I hope you enjoy the audio. Thank you very much.
Wake the fuck up. Stay there like a good little girl. Well, apparently Daddy doesn't want to pay for me to set you free. And I don't know, it doesn't seem like you've got any real good friends or anything, so, right now you're, well, less than useless. So, before I throw you away with the trash, I figured I'd have a little more fun with you. See, I scored something off one of my friends, and I thought it might make you enjoy this time we have together a little bit more. Come on, just give it a try. I'm sure you'll end up liking it. It's nothing special, really. Just a little pill. And it'll kick in before you know it. You're not getting anywhere, so stop wiggling around. You've got some strong legs. That's why I had to chain you down to the bed. It's nice and tight. You know, if you have no intention of acting properly, I'm just gonna have to treat you like the bitch that you are. I'm just squeezing the vein in your neck a little bit to help you calm down. You feel your head getting lighter and lighter. Feels great, doesn't it? It's incredible what a lack of oxygen does to the brain. And as soon as I let the blood flow return, well, you're gonna feel a dopamine rush, serotonin, euphoria, whether you like it or not. There we go. Breathe. A little bit dizzy, huh? Here. Take this. You won't have to do much. Just sit back and relax. Once you've swallowed it, it should kick in real quick. Open up, little one. I said open your fucking mouth. Look, if you play along, I'll let you go. But if you don't, I'll fucking kill you. So, open up. There we go. Swallow. Good girl. Just relax. Enjoy the fun that I have planned. There we go. Don't tense up like that. You don't want me to make a mistake and accidentally hurt you, would you? There. Just relax. Keep your eyes on me. My hand on your thigh. You feel that tingling sensation? Don't worry. You're only going to feel pleasure. Here it is. That's what I was looking for. Your pupils are starting to dilate. When you're high on that stuff, things feel a little bit different. Even things that used to hurt, all of a sudden, send you into ecstasy. I could kill you right now. Or I could make you come, you not knowing which I'm going to do next. Is half the fun, isn't it? Oh, you look like you're having fun. But we've only just started. Why don't we play a little game? I'm gonna blindfold you. And I'm going to touch your skin with something. I'll have you guess. And if you guess right, you win. If you guess wrong, well... Here, let me just tie this around your eyes. It's dark. Well, no shit. That's the purpose of a blindfold, stupid slut. Just relax. Focus on winning the game. Because if you lose, well, just hope you win. I wouldn't want to spoil the fun. Now, can you guess what this is? No? Even when it's running along your thigh like this? What if I move it here? Right at your core? Something hard. That's really only half of an answer, isn't it? Come on, guess. You've already seen me playing with it. The knife? Well, it could be. But could I do this with the knife? Could I push it inside your like this? Would it feel that good? Pushing inside of you? Don't tense up. That'll only make it harder for you to concentrate. Just breathe and relax. Do you feel it pushing inside of you? Come on, guess what it is, huh? My cock. No, wrong. You lose. Oh, don't look so scared. I don't want to hurt you or anything. As for your punishment, well, you'll see. For now, just enjoy the suspense. Are you curious as to what I'm pushing inside of you? Huh? Curious what you're grinding yourself against? Well, you were right. It was the knife. But it wasn't the blade. Come on. Knife handle. I can't let you get points if you're not going to be specific. Why do you look so scared? I told you it was just the handle. Putting a blade inside you would be dangerous. Unless you want that. Do you want me to put the blade in you? Come on. If you don't tell me, then I won't know what to do. I'm joking. You don't need to cry like that. But again, it was a nice sound. I like the crying, actually. But I know that everything I'm doing to you feels good, doesn't it? That your body is starting to feel like it wants to come, in spite of how scared you are. Well, in that case, I'll just take this out I wouldn't want you enjoying yourself too much yet. Are you frustrated about it? You wanted me to make you... Well, that's your punishment. You aren't allowed to come, I say so. Now, it's my turn. I get to feel good this time. Oh, don't be like that. Open your mouth. Come on, after how desperate you were to... No empathy. You ungrateful little whore. Open that fucking mouth or I'll pry it open with the knife. That's right. You don't want me to use that. I might accidentally take out a tooth. That delicate jaw of yours is trembling in my palm. Just remember, I can fucking break it if you don't do what I say. You know how badly you want it. Now, since you lost the game, I'm gonna shove my dick all the way down that tiny throat of yours. Huh? Oh, don't move so much. You'll choke on me. If you pass out, it'll be your own fault. Oh. Unless that's what you want. You want me to choke you again? You want me to choke you while I f*** your face? So that way, you can barely feel yourself being here at all. Just barely on the horizon of consciousness. An empty hole to be used, with no person inside of it.